The Prince of Wales's own Civil Service Rifles was an infantry regiment of the Volunteer Force and Territorial Force of the British Army from 1798 to 1921. It saw active service in the Boer War and World War I as part of the London Regiment. Early history. Originally formed in 1798 as the Bank of England Volunteers, it was disbanded at the end of the Napoleonic Wars. On the formation of the Volunteer Force in 1860, it was raised by Viscount Berry as the 21st Middlesex Rifle Volunteers. The headquarters were at Somerset House. Territorial Force. On formation of the Territorial Force in 1908, the Civil Service Rifles became part of the newly formed London Regiment and was titled 15th Battalion, London Regiment. During the First World War it raised 3 battalions, with the 1st Battalion arriving in France in March 1915 forming part of the 4th London Brigade, part of the 2nd London Division. The 1st Battalion was deployed solely on the Western Front during the First World War. Following the war, the Civil Service Rifles were amalgamated with the 16th Battalion, London Regiment in 1921. Battle Honours: South Africa 1900–02. The Great War, Festabat 1915, Lose, Somme 1916–18, Flers Corslet, Le Transloy, Messines 1917, Ypres 1917, Cambrai 1917, Street, Quinton, Ancre 1918, Albert 1918, Bapaume 1918, Pursuit to Mons, France and Flanders 1915–18, Doran 1917, Macedonia 1916–17, Gaza, Nebi Samuel, Jerusalem, Palestine 1917–18. Regimental motto: Ik dien, the motto of the Prince of Wales. Regimental Memorial. The memorial for the Prince of Wales's own Civil Service Rifles is situated at Somerset House, London. It was designed in 1923 by Sir Edwin Lutyens Om, KCIEPRA. Bibliography: Ian F. W. Beckett, Rifleman Form, A Study of the Rifle Volunteer Movement 1859–1908, Aldershot, Ogilvy Trusts, 1982, ISBN 0859362271-X. The History of the Prince of Wales's own Civil Service Rifles. London, Wyman and Amp, Sons Limited, 1921. Knight, Jill. The Civil Service Rifles in the Great War, Old Bloody Gentlemen. Barnsley, Pen and Amp, Sword Military, 2004. ISBN 1844150577-7. Osborne, Mike, 2006. Always Ready, The Drill Halls of Britain's Volunteer Forces, Partisan Press, Essex. ISBN 1858185092-2. 15th Batten, County of London Regiment, Prince of Wales' own Civil Service Rifles.